Don't scroll, here's your crypto board today. Avalanche led it, rose 3.2%. Bitcoin, the market leader, down 0.1%, trading around $63,412. The first U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF is closing due to dwindling inflows, while investors instead pursue higher returns from artificial intelligence stocks as Bitcoin prices remain flat. Via CoinDesk, Avalanche up 3.2%, around $6.78. Today it ranged between $6.58 and $6.91. Solana down 0.6%, around $73.05. Today it ranged between $73 and $73.89. Cardano up 0.5%, around $0.195. Today it ranged between $0.191 and $0.198. Market mood. Bitcoin dominance is 56%, and the Fear and Greed Index sits at 25, extreme fear. Trending on CoinGecko right now, Pudgy Penguins, Lighter, and Ondo. That's the crypto board today. Mixed with Avalanche, the biggest mover. Follow Crypto Goblin for your daily crypto Bitcoin and the top altcoins.